How about this reality? Let's think about this reality. How about this life reality? How about this life reality? Is it not so amazing that our lives cost so much now? So much every day we get up to go to the job. There's something we all know. There's something we all know, but none of us talk about it before. Our lives narrow by the day. One thing none of us cannot control. But one thing none of us cannot control is the air we breathe, is the wind we feel, is the rainfall we get, is the heavenly lifestyle. That's all created by nature. That's all been created by nature. Love. It seems like someone rich is benefiting from the mirror. Seems like someone out there benefiting from the mirror. It seems like someone out there benefiting from the poor. They protected themselves with all their power. They protect themselves with power. The world is now awakening. The world is now awakening. The human is now awakening. The woman is now awakening. Come, brother, be more educated. But when you are educated, don't take advantage of the poor. When you are high in position, don't take advantage of vulnerable. Why don't you demonstrate and show the positive side? Why don't you demonstrate and show us the positive side? Come on, help people, they need your help. Come on, help people, they need your help. Come on, save the people, even if they can't save you. Come on, save the people, even if they cannot save you. How about this life reality? How about this reality life? How about this reality of life we live in?